Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. Today I will give you the uh, detail about the API automation using C Sharp in .NET. For this I have used the RestSharp uh, tool and generate the report using extent report. So I have created a small basic framework that will execute the script and generate the report in Visual Studio.NET. So you can use this framework and project, and you can do the customization and just continue as per your requirement. So let's start for API automation. So this basic framework using the below tools, RestSharp, and this is the URL. You can get more details on that. And unit for execution, extent report for reporting purpose, and C Sharp for writing the script. You can get the project, the framework from GitHub, and you can import into the Visual Studio. So that is already here. You can just go to there and just download this project and use that. I have already downloaded and I have the project, so I will go to the Visual Studio and directly import this project. So I'm just giving you the highlight of the what kind of project I have created in the Visual Studio. So project is a class library .NET framework, and you can see here this is the screen. So I have created that, and these are the packages we need to import. We need to restore to execute the script. So for this demo I have used just start version this and an unit extent report and the system configuration for reading the config file. And the rest are for this demo I have used the get method, post method, put method and delete method. So we will look into the demo. This is the structure of the folder. So when you import this project, this framework, you will get this kind of uh, folder hierarchy. So properties and reference, that is the default one. You get manager, that is folder created where you will get the report related code as well as the listener, and the few rest method, as I said, get method, post method, put method and delete method, that is already created. Test cases, for this demo I have created 8 test cases. 7 test cases will pass, 1 test case will fail, so that will generate on the report. And the fconfig file where we pass the base URL and other input details. So this is the app.config where I am passing the base URL, and this is the site I have used for demo purpose. And then few other key, that is what will be the project name, if report server means if I'm saving the report in the database or not. So these are the few key. So let's go and import the project. As I said, I have already downloaded the project from here. So let's quickly go to the Visual Studio, open the Visual Studio, and then we'll check. So you can see here I have already downloaded this RestSharp and unit framework. So I'm going to import in Visual Studio. So it's loading. So here also I've used the same concept like I've used in the uh, Selenium in web automation. So used just Sharp and then extent report. Let's see, it's, yeah, so it's loaded. Now open the project. Go to the project folder, uh, and select the solution. So it's loading. So you can see here the right hand side, we are getting the same folder hierarchy, right? So now we need to restore the package. So just right click on that and right click on the solution and then select restore and you get package. So that's fine. So let's quickly check the packages are there or not. So you can see here all the packages are restored. So now you can see the right hand side. This is the manager folder where we have the extent related methods and class, and then we have the report listener, and this is the rest method where we have created all these methods for get, post, right, delete, put, all these methods I have created here. And this one is the app.config where I am passing the value. So let's build this solution. So build complete. Now in the left hand side you will see the test cases. Here you are showing the 8 test cases. If you just expand it, and you will get there are 3 category: one for card test, create, update and remove, uh, and 2 related to login and 3 related to user details. So if you expand more you will get the more. So I am going to execute all these test cases. So just right click on it and run the selected. So it will execute all these uh, script: get, post, put, delete, all these methods. So right now first category is executed, and you can also check the once it will complete, it will generate the report. And report will generate in the reports folder. So if folder will not available, then it will create the folder and place the report in that folder. So let's quickly check. Go to the folder and here is the report. Open the this index and Chrome. So right now one test case is executed. Now it will execute all the remaining test cases. So let's check here. 2 test pass. First category completed. So login, one test case fail and one test case pass, and then the user details. So all the execution has completed here. Now quickly go and look into the report. Let's refresh this report. So you can see all these 8 test cases are executed, 1 fail and 7 pass. So if you click on any request, right hand side it will show the category, what request I have executed and the details of that. So it will also showing the request and response. So request and response, right? So this scenario has failed. It's showing the issue. What is the reasons? Password was not given, that's why it failed. So it's showing all these details. request and response here. So it's a highly customizable. You can just customize as per your requirement. So this is the test case wise details. Go to the tag wise. As I said, there are three tags. So three test case under this, two test case under this, and three test case under this. Finally, go to the dashboard, and you will look into the details. 8 test cases are there, and this is the tag wise, and this is the environment. So this is the dashboard. So execution complete. You will also get the details here. The group summary, 1 test case fail and 7 pass. So all these details we are getting here. Even in the console log also we are getting the details. Now let's back to the uh, more details. So this is the same I have seen in demo. This is the execution, this is the report, all kind of report. This is the test wise, tag wise, and dashboard, right? So this is all about the API automation. Just try to use the framework and customize as per your requirement, and let me know your feedback. I will be happy to help you. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time.